Ever wondered how to create that cinematic double exposure effect without complicated editing? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in CapCut using just the blending option. Super easy, and you can follow along step by step. Open your CapCut. Create a new project. Now, let's add some clips. I'll be working on these two clips. So let's drop them into CapCut. Set this clip on track A and this one on track B. Cut the rest of your tracks and align both. Now select your clip on track B and head over to the blend option on the right side. Change the blend mode to hard light. Add one keyframe at the beginning. Reduce the scale to 0. Move a few steps further on your track and add another keyframe. Resize your scale to 52. A keyframe will be added automatically. Move a little bit further and change the scale to 85. Then move a bit more and scale it up to 100. From here, cut your clip and place it in track C. Now change your blend mode back to default. And that's it. You now have a cool double exposure video. You can try this with different clips and designs for creative results. Finally, hit the export button. Change your file details if you want. And click export again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what effect you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.